Why did you do this? So weird, Carl. I mean, you don't want the splitter there.